I went from making $50,000 a year to over $100,000 a month before I could legally drink. And I'm about to give you the exact strategies that made it happen. If you're not making six figures monthly in sales, this video is for you. I'm Bornancin, CEO of Seamless.ai, a company I built to $250 million in sales and sold a portion of it for $70 million to a private equity firm. Before we jump in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button for weekly videos that help you grow your business and make more money. So first, let's talk about the mindset shift. You need to stop accepting other people's definition of your potential. When I was selling at IBM, they gave me a quota and I thought, well, that's what they expect. That's what they think that I can make. And I should just hit that. Wrong. Your quota is not your potential. It's the minimum expectation. Here's the rule that changed everything for me. Whatever quota they give you, multiply it by 3 to 5 times and work backwards from that. Your manager doesn't know what you're capable of. Only you do. And if you're going to achieve massive results, you need to set massive goals. Step 1, do the math. $100,000 a month equals $3,333 in revenue every single day. Most reps never do this math. That's why they stay broke. If your average deal size is $10,000, that means you need to close one deal every 3 days. If you close 25% of your demos, you need 4 demos every 3 days, or about 1.3 demos per day. If your demo booking rate is 10% of your conversations, you need 13 conversations per day. You reverse engineer from the goal to hit the daily activities needed to crush your number. Step 2, massive daily action. To make 3 quality conversations that convert each day, you need to make 100 plus dials, send 50 emails, and do 25 plus social touches every single day. Most reps make 20 calls and wonder why they're not hitting their numbers. You need massive action to create massive results. And you need to track everything like your life depends on it. Track calls made, emails sent, conversations, demos booked, deals closed. If you don't measure it, you can't improve it. Step 3, outdevelop everyone. Here's what I did that most reps don't. I invested every single dollar I made into self-development. Books, courses, masterminds. We're talking thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, everything. While my friends were buying cars and clothes, I was buying knowledge. And knowledge compounds faster than anything else. I studied sales objections until I had 100 ways to handle each and every one of them. When someone said it's too expensive, I didn't panic. I had dozens of scripts ready to go. I also role play daily. I practice off the field, not during the game. Tom Brady doesn't show up to the Super Bowl hoping he remembers the plays. He practices on the practice field before the big game to win the Super Bowl. Step 4, eliminate time wasters. I audited my time and realized 50 to 70% of it was wasted on activities that didn't make any money. List building, data entry, administrative tasks. So I automated everything I could. I used tools like Seamless.ai to automate and eliminate list building. I outsourced everything that was in sales, meals, laundry, driving. Your goal is to spend 90% of your time on prospecting, pitching, and closing activities. Everything else is a distraction from making money. Step 5, you have to master money conversations. It's too expensive is never really about money. It's about value. When someone says that, they're telling you that you have not demonstrated enough value to justify the price. Your current state to future state discovery is what needs to be improved. Where are they now? Where do they want to be? And where do they want to go? And what's the gap? And how much is that gap costing them? Make the ROI math undeniable. If your solution makes them $50,000 a year and it costs $25,000 a year, the math is obvious. Here's your 90-day breakdown. Write this down. Month 1, build your system and habits. Get your tools, create your processes, establish your daily routine. Don't miss it. Habits define your daily wins. Month 2, scale your activity volume. Increase your calls, your demos, your emails, your sales. Optimize based on what's working. Month 3, hit your first $100,000 a month. By now, your system should be dialed and producing consistent results. And most importantly, you have to adopt what I call the whatever it takes reality. Most people quit right before the breakthrough. They'll do this for a few weeks, not see immediate results, and give up. The first $100,000 a month is the hardest, but after you do that, it compounds. And once you have the system and the skills, scaling becomes easier. Look, this is hard. It's not easy. It's complicated, but you need massive goals, massive action, and massive commitment to make $100,000 a month. Most reps are trying to get lucky, but what you want to do is get predictable. Remember, you're not trying to hit someone else's quota. You're building a system that makes 100,000 months inevitable. You're going to stop giving discounts and use the exact scripts in this video next to close more sales. I'll see you in the next video.